Sometimes indie devs just don't put effort into UI. Now look, I know that it's not super important to have great UI. I mean, look at Minecraft, right? Damn. But come on, who doesn't appreciate good UI? So I was messing around with a bunch of different UI, trying to get you guys feedback. Check this one out. So I was going with this kind of like comic book look, and a friend of mine pointed out that none of this stuff is aligned. And I kind of liked the chaos of this, but I decided, you know, it might be better to just play it safe but make it look good. So in the process, I drew a bunch of different kinds of UI elements and I prepped them all for use in video games. You can follow me on Itch, and I added them to my free to use pixel art assets so you can use them in your games. Okay, so here's what it looks like. All right. So I'm in the process of adding skills, but check out that UI on the bottom. Whenever you switch skills, it like bounces a little bit and the text fades in and stuff, and it has a little bit of what we call juice. So the way I'm doing a lot of this juice in the UI is using DoTween, which I think is an awesome asset. You could use a Unity animator, but there's a bunch of DoTween options here that give you enough control. Like check this one out. I did shake and scale. That one's a bit much, but you get the idea. Don't forget to get your free UI assets on Itch, link in the description, and add some juice in your UI. It would mean a lot to me if you followed the Kickstarter project for this game, and I'll see you guys next week. A Dev Live.